Hello, everyone. This is Ye from South Korea, your Korean teacher. So today we are gonna learn about the conversation for airport and the inside of the airplane because nowadays our situation is getting better. So I hope we can go to like we can go to like traveling abroad at least like next year, hopefully. So when you want to go to the South Korea, then you have to have some like knowledge and have some like base basic like conversations about when you staying at our Korean airport or in the airplane, right? So I'm gonna teach you about that one for today. So if you guys are ready, then I'm gonna share my screen. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna learn about the conversation in airport and airplane. Okay, first of all, we're gonna learn about what is the how to say with the airport. Okay, airport you can say 공항, 공항, 공항. But if you want to like pronounce like a Korean, you can say 공항, 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 공항. Okay. How about the airplane? How you can say 비행기. 비행기. Writing is like 비행기. 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 But if you want to speak like a Korean, you can say 비행기. 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 All right. So airport is 공항. Airplane is 비행기. Okay, so let's go to the conversation then. So first of all, when you want to go to the airport, right? Or let's say you need to return to your own country, then you have to like ride the taxi or subway, all those kind of things, right? So let's think about let's have a situation with when you take the taxi, then you have to say like, please go to like this airport, right? How you can say with that one? You can say 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. To the taxi driver, okay? 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. 블라블라 공항, it means like a 블라블라 airport. 으로, to airport. 가주세요. Please take me there. Okay? So let's start with the speaking version. How you can say 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. A bit faster. 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. Okay? If I give you one more tip, if you want to speak to the like taxi driver, they are kind of like have some like a tough and like a really cold situation. So if you trying to speak like if you like want to speak quickly about the Korean accent, then they will not gonna like understand that one. Okay, so I think for talking to the like taxi driver, I recommended you to slow down a bit to speak the exact destination. Because if you like tell it and they were gonna go, I mean, they were gonna bring you right away. But if they like, as I told you, some people are really like tough. So if you like blur and like some like a wrong like pronunciation with the destination, they were gonna say like 뭐요? 뭐라고요? They were gonna something speak like this, okay? But some people are really nice. So like, 뭐라고요? 다시 한번 말해주세요. But most of the people is like 50 or 60. So yeah, so yeah, I know that's kind of rude, but yeah. So, but because nowadays the like situation is not that good. So if you want to like speak out the destination clearly, I recommend you to speak slow down a bit than your normal conversation way. Okay? So like this guys. 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. Then they're gonna say, okay, all right, thank you. Then all right, 알겠습니다. And then we're gonna bring you to your airport. Okay. Let's go to another one. Okay, so this is the like basic word, which is domestic and international, right? So for the domestic, you can say 국내선. 국내선. 내 means the inside. So 국 is the national. 내 is like this is actually based on the like Chinese word. So 국 is Korea, national. 내 means inside. 선 is the like about the plane. So national inside plane. So it's gonna be 국내선, which means domestic. Okay, 국내선. 국내선. But it's kind of hard to pronounce it, huh? So how you can say 국내선. 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 Okay, that is the like how you can pronounce with the domestic in Korean. Okay, then how about the international? For the international, you can say 국제선. 국제선. There is all the writing and the reading and the speaking is all same. 국제선. 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 So if you want to go to another country, then which one you have to use it? 국제선 비행기. 국제선 비행기. If there's a domestic travel, it's going to be 국내선 비행기. Okay, please don't forget about this one. Let's go. Then when you arrive at the airport, you need to find some gate that you need to like register or check in, right? Actually, not a gate, like a section or something. But let's just talk about let's just like mention with the gate. Okay, so let's say this is just an example. Okay, this is just an example. Where is the gate 7? Where's the gate 7? Actually, we're using some gate, exactly the same pronunciation like a gate with the English in the Korea as well. So, and then how you can say 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? One more time. 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 means gate 7. And 어디 있어요? is where is it? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? All right. So slow down a bit. For the gate 7, we have to using some counting version with what? Sino version. 7 is count Sino. So based on the Chinese pronunciations. Okay. So then how you can say 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? A bit faster. 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? All right, that means where's the gate 7? Okay. Okay, so let's say you arrive at the like gate, like a section. Then they were gonna check your passport, right? Then they were gonna say like this: "Can I see your passport?" How they will say it's gonna be 여권 좀 보여주세요. 여권 좀 보여주세요. They, of course, like international like line is gonna be they were gonna speak like a passport, please, or something to the foreigners, of course. But yeah, this is just for information for you. Okay, so can I see your passport? You can say 여권 좀 보여주세요. 여권 좀 보여주세요. Passport is the 여권. Well, actually, the writing is 여권. But if we try to speak like a Korean, you can use it with the 여권. 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 Okay? 좀 is the like a decoration word. So 보여주세요. Then it means like, can I see? Can I see? So 여권 좀 보여주세요. 여권 좀 보여주세요. A bit faster. 여권 좀 보여주세요. 여권 좀 보여주세요. Fluently. 여권 좀 보여주세요. 여권 좀 보여주세요. Okay, next one. Okay, then if you want to like add some your extra luggage, then how you can say, can I add extra luggage? Can I add extra luggage? How you can say, 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? All right. So like, let's say, 수화물 추가 is the extra like extra luggage. Luggage is the 수화물. 수화물. Extra is like additional, like it means like additional, right? So 추가, 추가 되나요 means like is it possible? Is it possible? So like extra like a luggage extra. Is it possible? There's like a format of our Korean sentence, but we're going to learn in the future, okay? So let's just memorize this one first. How we can say, writing is 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물. 수화물 is kind of hard to pronounce, you know? So how we can say then? 수화물. So 수화물 추가되나요? Slow down a bit. 수화물 추가 되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? Okay, then they were going to say like yes or no. All right. Okay, next one. The most important things to y'all, everybody. Duty free shop. Duty free shop is really like most important things to y'all, all right? For the souvenirs on your stuffs. Yes. Then how you can say with the duty free shop? You can say 면세점. 면 is like a free, and 세 is the text simplifies of the simplified word for the text. 점 is the like a store. So 면세점, 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 면세점. Usually our the Korean duty free shop is usually in the inside of the gate, inside of the like a checking point. Okay, but you can still asking to the other people, right? Then how you can say where is the duty free shop? You can say 면세점은 어디에 있나요? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? Okay, so 면세점은 for now is we're gonna use the 은. 면세점은 어디에 where 있나요? Is. So slow down a bit. 면세점은 어디에 있나요? One more time. 면세점은 어디에 있나요? A bit faster. 면세점은 어디에 있나요? Fluently. 면세점은 어디에 있나요? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? As I told you, asking have to be the last letter have to be with go with the a bit like a growing accent, high accent. Okay? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? Okay? All right. So after you've done with the shopping and all those kind of things, and after you got in and you have to eat the airplane food, isn't it? Because your country is quite far from the South Korea. So you might have some like 1 or 2 meals in the inside of the airplane. So for the airplane food, you can say 기내식. 기내식. 기 means like a simplified word for the 비행기, and 내 is the inside, and 식 is the food. Then you can say 기내식. 기내식. So when you usually go with the airplane, when you go into the airplane, actually, usually they are trying to give some menu to choose it, right? So if you want to speak with the Korean about the okay, please give me this menu for my airplane food. How you can say 기내식 이걸로, you have to point something. 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 이걸로 means that this, and 주세요, please give me. All right. And now you can say 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. A bit faster. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. You can if even you speak with the fluently, you have to pause between the 기내식 and 이걸로. Okay, so you're gonna say like this: 기내식 이걸로 주세요. You have to say the airplane first, airplane food first. So 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 기내식. You have to point something. 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. Okay? Okay, so when you take off from the airplane, of course, some people is already like exchanging your money, but you also have to change your currency, right? So for this one, it's gonna be currency exchange. How you can say 환전소. 환 means the exchange, and 전 means the money, and 소 is the place. Exchange money place. So 환전소. 환전소. You can ask to the information with the where's the currency is, right? Currency exchange is what? Then how you can say 환전소가 어디에 있나요? 어디에 있나요? We just learned it before, right? So how you can say then 환전소가 어디에 where 있나요? Slow down a bit. 환전소가 pause 어디에 있나요? A bit faster. 환전소가 어디에 있나요? One more time. 환전소가 어디에 있나요? Fluently, how you can say 환전소가 어디에 있나요? 환전소가 어디에 있나요? Okay, so you finished with your exchange your money. Then you have to go to your accommodation, right? We learned it before about the accommodations, but if you want to go to the accommodation, you need to write something, right? Like let's say like bus or taxi or those kinds of things, your limousine, even the limousine or something, subway, whatever it is. So how you can say with the public transportation? We can say 대중교통. 대중교통. 대중 is the public. Transportation is like 교통수단. But actually, like 교통 means like a traffic. But here we just using with the meaning with transportation. Okay, so public traffic. So public transportation is gonna be 대중교통. I'm gonna slow down a bit. 대중교통. 교 is like a 교촌치킨, okay? All right. 대중교통. A bit faster. 대중교통. 대중교통. Fluently, 대중교통. 대중교통. Okay, so with the bus and taxi and the subway, we have a different kind of word. Actually, these two is exactly the same with the letter, with the English, but as I told you, with the Hangul, with the Korean accent, how you can say bus, bus, bus. Okay, I think this is more close. Bus, bus, bus. Taxi, taxi. But in the South Korea, how you can say taxi, 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 taxi. Bus, bus. Taxi, taxi. But subway is not a restaurant, okay? Subway is 지하철, 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 지하철. But if you want to speak fluently, how you can say 지하철, 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 지하철. You can pronounce like this, okay? All right. So if you want to take one of that, then okay. But you have to find some place that you can take it, right? Then how you can say, where can I, or where that I can take where can I take the, okay, I think where can I take, you guys can find. Where can I take a blah blah with the 대중교통, okay? Then how you can say blah blah 어디서 타야 돼요? blah blah 어디서 타야 돼요? 타야 it means like a ride. 돼요? possible. So blah blah 어디서 타야 돼요? blah blah 어디서 타야 돼요? 어디서 타야 돼요? 어디서 타야 돼요? 어디서 타야 돼요? Let's say, where can I take a bus? How you can say, 버스 어디서 타야 돼요? Oh, like this. 택시? 택시 어디서 타야 돼요? Subway, 지하철? 지하철 어디서 타야 돼요? Then they are going to help you to how to take like how to reach to that place. Okay, so until here, guys. So this is for the airplane and the conversation for the airplane inside of the airplane and the airport. Okay, this is not everything, but it's going to be really helpful to you. Okay, so we're going to go to the series by series. Okay, but for today, we just learned about the conversation inside of the airport and the airplane. Okay, so let's review first then. Airport, how you can say 공항, 공항, 공항. But the easier pronunciation is going to be what? 공항, 공항. So our what is it? Our typical international airport name is the 인천 공항, right? 인천 공항. But we usually say 인천 공항, 인천 공항. Okay, airplane, how you can say 비행기. 비행기 is more close to the speaking. Okay, 비행기, 비행기. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, before you when you departed, how you can say please go to this airport. How you can say blah blah 공항으로 가주세요. blah blah 공항으로 가주세요. 공항 으로 가주세요. 블라블라 공항으로 가주세요. 블라블라. Let's say there's the 인천. Then how you can say 인천공항으로 가주세요. 인천공항으로 가주세요. Right? For the domestic, how you can say 국내선. Inside of the country, 국내선. How about the international? You can say 국제선. 국제선, 국제선, 국제선. Okay, let's go to the first one. Okay, if you want to say where is the gate 7, you need to check the platform to check in, right? How you can say 7, this is just example, okay? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요. One more time. 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요. A bit faster. 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? Fluently. 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? 7번 게이트가 어디 있어요? For the gate counting, you can using some, based on the Chinese pronunciation. Okay. So when you reach to the platform, they're gonna say to you like, "Can I see your passport, please?" Then they will gonna say to you like, "여권 좀 보여주세요." 여권 좀 보여주세요. 여권 is the passport. Okay. So please remember the 여권 is really gonna be really useful word when you go to the traveling abroad. Okay. In the South Korea. 여권 좀 보여주세요. Show me. 여권 좀 보여주세요. Okay, so after checking out, you can ask him with this one for your extra luggage. How you can say 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? Can I add extra luggage? 수화물 추가되나요? A bit faster. 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? 수화물 추가되나요? All right. Next one. Duty-free shop. Okay, so you already got in. Then most of the time, like I think that most of the airport does. So when you like pass the checkpoint, you can see that duty-free shop for your shopping. So how you can say duty-free shop? 면세점, 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 면세점. So how you can ask to the other people? Where's the duty-free shop? How you can say 면세점은 어디에 있나요? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? A bit faster. 면세점은 어디에 있나요? One more time. 면세점은 어디에 있나요? Fluently, how you can say 면세점은 어디에 있나요? 면세점은 어디에 있나요? All right. Next one. Yeah, after your shopping, then you just got in your airplane. Then you're gonna eat some airplane food, right? Airplane food is you can speak with 기내식, 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 기내식. So if you want to choose your own airplane food, then you can just point that one and you can say 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 이걸로, this 주세요. Please give me 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. 기내식 이걸로 주세요. All right, after you arrive at your place, then you have to change your money. The currency exchange place, you can say with the Korean with 환전소, 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 환전소. So if you want to ask where's the currency exchange is, you can say 환전소가 어디에 있나요? 환전소가 어디에 있나요? 환전소가 어디에 있나요? A bit faster. 환전소가 어디에 있나요? 환전소가 어디에 있나요? Fluently, how you can say 환전소가 어디에 있나요? 환전소가 어디에 있나요? All right. So when you get away, when you exit all the checkpoint, then you have to take the public transportation or whatever the vehicles that you can reach to your accommodations, right? But most of the people, I believe that they're going to use the public transportations, right? Then how you can say with the public transportation, you can say 대중교통, 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 대중교통. Okay, we have for the bus and taxi, we just exactly using some exactly same English, but with the Korean accent. You can say 버스, 버스, 택시, 택시. Subway is going to be 지하철, 지하철, 지하철. Okay. Then if you want to ask to somebody, where can I take this public transportation? Blah blah. 어디서 타야 돼요? Blah blah. 어디서 타야 돼요? Let's say bus. Where can I take a bus? Then you can say 버스 어디서 타야 돼요? 어디서 타야 돼요? 어디서 타야 돼요? 어디서 타야 돼요? 버스 어디서 타야 돼요? 버스 어디서 타야 돼요? All right? Yes. So until here, everybody. So how is it, guys? It's kind of difficult, isn't it? Yes, but it's really a bit difficult than before, but this is going to be really useful to you when you go to the South Korea, because many of the people can speak English, of course, but if you want to ask to another people, now with the information center, and if you want to trying to get close to the Korean people, and if you want to asking with politely, you guys can all using these words. Okay, where can I take a bus? Where is the exchange student place? No, it's not exchange student, currency exchange. Where's the like duty free shop? All those kind of things. You can practice with this one first and then try with your travel place. Okay, have a brave and don't worry, guys. Even you're wrong, they will gonna understand because at least you're trying your best to speak out. They will gonna trying to like trying with their effort to understand about your language. Okay, so please don't depress and please keep always practicing, guys. Okay, thank you for your class. Thank you for the watching and see you at our next session with schedule. Bye bye, guys.